Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my subscribers, how you doing? We're gonna uncover the mystery of whether Drew Gooden and Danny Gonzalez are the same person or not. Now, if you don't know who these people are, two commentary/comedy YouTubers who make these really interesting videos on the internet cringe and they're really fun. Go check them out. I have the links in the description. If you're in the community, there's quite a common meme around it that those two are just the same person because they look a little bit similar. And the internet has always wondered whether these two YouTubers who seemingly look practically just the same as the same person or not, and we're gonna figure it out. Watch till the rest of the video to find out whether they're the same person or not. Now, they both seem to deny that they're the same person, but the internet always sort of been confused about it. There's so many people on the internet that get confused daily whether these are the same people or not. Now, they're both former Vine stars who switched to YouTube when Vine shut down, and they make the same genre of YouTube content. They both have wives. They look quite similar. Heck, even their wives look similar. Like, guys, try a little bit harder to convince the internet, and maybe then we'll stop questioning you. It just feels like you're not trying, you know? That's just what my teachers say to me. Just to try a little bit harder. Hashtag ADHD struggles. These two people basically just make the same type of content, just in different fonts, really. And you've never ever seen them in the same room together. At least that is confirmed by a sane person who's not being held hostage by that. That is. I mean, neither have God and I been seen in the same room together, so just saying. Now, these two people both seem to deny that they're the same person, quite insistent on it, really. But the thing with the internet is that not everybody tells the truth. Okay, you Facebook users, don't believe the Facebook ads. See, wear your mask. We're gonna get another third wave, won't we? God damn it. Now we're gonna use top tier professional technology used for facial recognition and facial comparison that's usually used in top tier research and technology, but I somehow got access to it. Now, these two guys look more similar than two e-boys do on the internet. Sorry, Danny and Drew, but just spitting the facts, you know. I'm sure you understand. Now, I've also installed more software on my laptop because apparently I'm more of a tryhard than CSGO sweats. So who's winning now? Now we have to keep it in mind that two people can just be doppelgangers. In fact, there's a lot of celebrity doppelgangers. There was that one guy who just pretended to be Justin Bieber eating a sandwich horribly. Then he went viral for it because people thought, oh, that's horrible manners. Because apparently, horrible manners equals Twitter trending. Why haven't I never gotten trending for that before? I have good manners now as a bit of a weird kid. Anyways, there's Ariana Grande doppelgangers, there's Selena Gomez doppelgangers, there's so many things, right? So we can't just say for sure that just because these two look practically alike, that they're the same person. We have to consider other things like mannerisms, behavior, other things that they do, interests, people around them. There's so many things we need to consider. You can sometimes miss things despite how sharp your eye is. You guys never knew I was a god, did you? Joke, by the way, disclaimer. The most suspicious thing, and also a bit of a flaw in my argument that they're the same person, is that they are so insistent on claiming that they're not the same person that they made a fully produced professional song on how they're not the same person.
I am Drew, I am Danny, and we are not the same person. We may have similar lives, we may have similar wives, but we are different nonetheless.
Kind of a bob, not gonna lie. It's kind of a bob, but also it just seems like they're trying really hard to cover something up. And then the next thing, they went on tour with their other friend, Curtis Connor. And guess what they named their tour? We Are Not the Same Person. Despite Curtis not being involved in it being a trio, they still named it We Are Not the Same Person. Which makes me think that they're trying really hard to cover something up. And you guys might think, but then why is Curtis going along with it? And let me tell you why. Because he's being held hostage. Curtis Connor is probably being held hostage by these two and being forced to admit that these two are not the same person. Curtis, if you're watching this and you're in trouble, put a thumb up or a smiley down in the comments below. I have 911 on speed dial. I'll call them ASAP. Just seems all quite suspicious. Might I just say? Sus. Now, if you're a Danny Gonzalez fan, you might be aware of his gaming channel and his Twitch channel. And he streams on Twitch and he started off playing Minecraft and he's branched off to other games. But the main focus is gaming. So Minecraft, I love that game. You guys didn't know I spent so much time on it. It's just really addicting. Minecraft is a game Danny is very new. Just started off, and basically Twitch chat is kind of like parents trying to guide their toddler, but not doing such a great job at it. Sometimes just telling the toddler to die. Maybe that's not the best analogy. Basically, Danny started this server called the Baddie SMP, which is survival multiplayer, where a bunch of people come together and just play Minecraft together, whatever they want to do, really. It's kind of like a sandbox. You can do whatever you want with it. And now, Danny was asked whether Drew would want to join. And the thing is, suspiciously enough, Drew has never joined the Baddie SMP. He's never even played Minecraft. And then people asked him, hey, do you want to call Drew live on stream and tell him that you defeated the game for the first time? He said, I don't want to call Drew because he doesn't know the game, which also fair enough. But then he ended up calling Curtis, which makes me think that this whole thing is that because they're live on stream, they were not prepared with Drew's persona or whatever there was, or the other way around, that Drew is pretending to be Danny. I don't know which one, either way it is, but one or the other. Both of them can't be together in the same space because to control two characters, you need 4 sets of arms, really. And so that would just make it really difficult. And to interact in real time, live, on stream, just feels like it's a little bit impossible. Or maybe Drew is gonna come online, but they're prepared for it. Maybe they're preparing for it, which makes me think that one of them might just be an alter ego or somebody they're projecting onto, just a slightly altered persona of them, really. Now, it wouldn't be a complete analysis if I don't consider the proof that is against the argument that they are the same person, that they're not the same person. Now, what sort of proof is for the fact that they're different people? First thing first, you've seen them interact in video in real time.
But I am Drew, I am Danny, and we are not the same person.
Now that proof is considerably weaker because there's a lot of video editing softwares and professionals who can get the job done and make it seem like you're interacting with someone in real time and make it seem very realistic. The next is the two, the one that I mentioned before. Now why I said before that this will put a massive flaw on the argument that Danny and Drew are the same person. They met other people in real time and they interacted with them as two different people. And no, I am not biased. I do not want them to be the same person. I'm definitely not biased. I definitely want them to be the same person. Because if they are the same person, this shit's gonna blow up and my video will be in the recommended for everyone and I'm gonna get so much clout. So much clout. Anyways, they met people in real time. But the question is, could this all be false? Could this all just be made up? Could they have paid people who visited Drew and made them sign NDAs? Only then you could meet them? Something like a wax figure that's just very realistic? Or maybe it's just a robot. Maybe it's just a robot in disguise. If you guys don't know, he is a robot. And this robot is just a completely different entity on its own, to the point that Sophia the robot has gotten its own citizenship in a country. That's massive for technology, but that also means that they could just have made this up. They could have just gotten a really professional software. Maybe there's a whole team behind them. Maybe it's a Lil Miquela situation to gain publicity, try to see whether people will figure it out or not. Lil Miquela, not aware, is a false entity created by someone who just knows 3D models really well, and that person out of thin air made her act on social media as they wanted. They would pose her in pictures, and many times people would just be so confused before they came out with the fact that Lil Miquela is in fact not a real person. Just be like, is this just a filter? Because it looks a little odd, but she just looks so real. Just looks so real. And that's the scary bit. You can just never know, because technology has advanced to the point where it can just make it seem like you are a real person. So it just might not be a real person. It might just be a really elaborate social media stunt. They might have people behind them. Let's be honest, it is a possibility. Might be a small one, but there's always a possibility, really, isn't it? And what if Curtis Connor is actually just not being held hostage? What if he's in on this? What if he's like the mastermind of the plan? What if Danny doesn't even exist? What if Drew doesn't even exist? What if they both don't exist? I am spiraling out of control. At the end of the day, let's be honest, they're probably two different people. They also might just be the same person. We just can't confirm it. This will remain unsolved as usual. If you want to save me from my misery of endless research and restless night, like and subscribe.